guys, and welcome to this episode here. We back at it again. We had a few shooters, late season bucks come on camera, and we've been after a few ducks with no success. There's no ducks here in Maryland. I don't know what's going on. It's unbelievable. It's 60 degrees out, January 4th. Unheard of. But anyways, we're gonna get after one of these late season whitetails today, and hopefully get one on the ground. Hopefully he makes an appearance and we can send a meat missile down to him and get him on the ground. We had a tough outing getting in here today. We got all the way up here in the tree, and I went to pull my rope up that's holding my bag with all my camera, not my cameras, but just my camera arms. Yeah, that rope decides to fall. It just wants to fall 35 feet to the ground. So I'm in a climber and not my lock on, so you know how that works. Pretty frustrating, but we're up here now. We're set. We're gonna get at it. Stay tuned. Shot opportunities. There's two out in front of us. These two here, and to our left over here. We have this one here with a 30-yard shot. We can probably sneak one through the backside here of us. So it's still early. It's still very early. It's 3:30, so we're gonna stick it out. Hopefully one of these guys makes an appearance and we can get it on film and get it up so you guys can watch it. Late season bucks, they're always fun, so stick with us. We're gonna get at this. We're gonna get one of these on the ground tonight. I got a feeling. Well, it just started raining. I put my big camera away. I'm not going to risk messing that up. So all we have now is this GoPro. So if this big buck comes in here, we're not going to have anything to zoom in with. So it is what it is. At least we'll get something on film. So stay with us. We do have two does, probably 70 yards. Over here, I just got them on film just a minute ago. They walked out of here, so we'll see what happens, guys. If it stops raining, I'll get the big camera back out. But as of right now, GoPro it is. We got a spike coming up through here from this bottom, following this great bottom straight to us. Pictures he's been with this deer, he's right. Sorry again, guys, it's pouring. Absolutely pouring. catch my big camera hit messed up. This is what we got. Alright, y'all, believe it or not, it is January. I don't think we're gonna risk it and get out of here. As y'all can see, we're right there. There's lightning and thunderstorms and stuff to our west, so more than likely we gonna get up out of here. I ain't messing with that. So if you're back, we stuck it out. If not, we're gonna catch y'all at the truck. So we stayed for another half hour. Dude, this fog is setting in here. I just looked at the radar again. This thunderstorm is right on the other side of the Potomac River. So, standing in a aluminum tree stand, and you know, some arrows sitting up here, and yeah, I think we're out. So, like I said in the last clip, we're gonna catch y'all back in the truck. We're out of here. This is insane. Raining, 60 degrees, thunderstorms. In January 4th? Come on, man. Catch y'all back at the truck.
Dude, absolutely insane. A thunderstorm. And January 4th. This is unreal. This is the first time I've ever came out because of rain. But thunderstorms, I don't mess with that. But if you guys like these videos, I know this video is all over the place. We're chasing this deer. We can't help what Mother Nature does. It is what it is. If you guys like these videos, please give them a thumbs up. Please hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please follow us on Instagram. And look, all these little jiggities right here, the subscribe button, I'll put it right here. And all these little jiggities, these videos, hit them jiggities. Watch it. What's it gonna hurt? Watch the videos. If you like them, give them a thumbs up. Stay tuned, guys. There's a lot more to come. Hopefully we get this deer on the ground. We only got a few weeks left. So, thanks for watching.